Waith from Rob Sizzler, gonna kick it off. Let's slide to the end and squash your friend. Are you ready? Let's go.
Let's go. Okay, faster now. Here we go.
Yes.
Are you ready?
See, I say that now. Give me like another minute, and I wish I said a different story.
I'm not holding on.
How'd you like it?
I've got my leggings on. I've got tracky
Oh.
Sorry.
Hold on tight.
No. It's only a small play. We've got what?
I'll tell you what I'm not looking forward to, and that's first one.
I know. We only did it last Saturday.
Less than a week.
I know.
Less than a week.
And we're going to have a Funfair vlog out, roughly.
Scream if you want to go
Maybe
faster.
we'll have a fair talk.
You know what Gray's like.
Hold on tight.
Let's go, come on!
Whee!
Right. I'm stuck again. I can't move.
Yay! Yay! Let's go!
I'm on my keys.
Have a go!
My eyes are watering. That's how fast it is. Yeah, my left one anyway. Oh, let's go faster!
No.
Scream if you want to go faster.
Yes!
Hold on tight.
Gray! That wasn't even screaming. We all know you can scream.
Oh my god! It's a BWS! Oh! Let's get it faster! Thing is though, is this done or are we going to go again?
Lights are on, I think we're done.
That was the sizzler.
Gray cannot call me for messing around, talking, holding up time. We've only done one ride.
This is a very compact, it is a cracking little ground. What are you thinking?
I'm thinking it's a Go Train right there. Whiting's Go Train. We all know you love Whiting's Go Train. Don't think actors on now. I think you're saying
Well, there's only one way to find out, isn't
what's
there?
going on.
So, we're going to recreate Leeds Fair, but this Jamie White's Ghost Train, and it's coming up next. As we ascend the spiral lift hill of doom. Right.
Yeah!
Yeah, no, both of us. How's my angle?
You're getting better.
Right.
I'm not put off. See my beautiful face.
Alright, here we go. You don't need an actor when I'm around, do you? Oh, is that somebody in there?
Dementia.
No! Jen! What are you doing? Oh. I'm gonna have a ball of nerves.
You've been on this ghost train how many times?
I know you think I'd know better.
You better think, right? You ready?
Oh.
Spider!
No, not yet.
Are these flaps again? Yeah.
Oh,
Oh, you just made me...
that's the new bit.
And that was why it's ghost train. Never fails.
You know?
Oh! Would you look at the concentration on that? It's only at it. I'll show you. I want you to get off ride, and all he does is talk before he's even on the ride. Yeah. One day he'll learn. Hopefully. But obviously that's not today.
You know whose freak out this is. So let's get this rocking and a rolling. I think we've got some screamers tonight as well. This is going on YouTube. Come on, let's go. I love it. Oh, the river. There we go. Whee! Oh, the air time. Come on! This is the halfway point. All the way up! All the way up! Not yet, anyway.
Okay, runners, to that down to the top. Here we go, on top.
5G of maximum power! Let's go, let's go, let's go. Yeah, baby! Let's go, let's go. Right, where's that spin? Oh my god! Oh, there it is! Woo-hoo! Not that fast! Whee! All the way up! Again.
Okay, right.
It is good. You see J Barwick's freak out. Get on it. I wasn't ready. Come on, let's go.
Okay, runners, alongside, let's go.
No. Arms out, feet out. Let's go. So, we didn't get here till 6:30. The fair shuts at 9. So, we're doing some fast riding. I have got the Stanford vlog, which is due out. Yeah. Come on, let's go! really not that bad. But look at the view. I love it when they play with you. Not like that, you dirty people. Way. Bit of time on the top. Is it?
Okay, riders, one more time. Let's see what's
on. That was crazy wave.
Completely put me off what I was gonna say. Completely put me off what I was gonna say, to be honest. But we stood in front of it. Are we ripping that bandage off and going on?
We're going on, last ride. We've been fast riding, haven't we?
What? Fast riding? It's only a small fairground. But one. Oh, let's just get. We'll see on
It's
Waltzer.
Stamford all over again.
We'll see on Waltzer. We're on.
Let's go.
Look at this angle though, Grace. Look. Grace learning angles.
I keep calling her off.
It's all about the angles. And I'm having to teach it. No selfish excuse here. Woo!
What's the angle?
And Grace just said to me, you'll see how hard it is to actually film on a waltzer. Forgetting I've actually filmed on a waltzer.
You are listening to the best track.
Oh, it's not me fucking Stamford again. Yay!
Do you know my worst ride on this? Peterborough. Do you remember? Okay, faster now, let's go.
I'm a transition. Can't go forever, we'll be fine.
It feels like forever.
Realistically, probably not been that long.
I'm kicking my balls this way.
My God!
At what phase to go to? What is it we do?
I know what it feels like being a washing machine. Woo! Oh my God!
I feel fully.
I want to see them lights coming out the roof.
Yes! A direction change!
Oh, another transition. Oh my God!
We made it.
Did it! Well, that's been short and sweet.
You know what? As much fun as a big series,
You can't beat a little one.
the smaller ones, they just got more of a like personal vibe, haven't they?
Yeah, if you're fortunate to have Farrars Fun Fairs come to your local area, get down and support your showman, and we should possibly be there.
More than likely.
And on that bombshell,